First of all, I want to thank everyone that has subscribed, and inshallah I wanted to get back by creating videos that may be helpful to some developers, especially to self-taught developers. Since I am a self-taught developer, I learned a lot of things by myself. I remember that it was really hard. That applies also because I didn't find anyone that will guide me or was showing me how to handle things, where to find things, how things work. I wanted to start with a really simple tip, that it is programming languages or frameworks, they doesn't matter at all. I see a lot of people that they basically think a lot about which language they should use, which framework they should learn, what is the best. Is OOP better than functional programming? Is functional better than OOP? These type of questions are questions that also in interviews they may ask you what is the best programming language or framework, to also understand your seniority, because usually this is what new developers think that there is a best, that there is something that is better than anything. But it is not the case at all, because you have to understand that you don't have to learn only one framework, but it happens in this industry that you have to learn a lot of frameworks, a lot of languages. You can also learn only one language, but it will happen if you spend a lot of years into this field, that eventually you need another language for other things. This is pretty normal in the way in which our industry works. It works in this way. Every few months there is a new framework or new technology. Things evolves a lot and really fast, so you have to have this ability to learn fast and easily. Basically, so you should not bound yourself to languages. The first thing that I suggest you to do is pick up any language, any framework that you like, that you enjoy, that you think that it is nice, cool, or good, or you want to work for a company that uses Python, I don't know, so you can pick up that language and start to learn it. And I suggest you that the first time you stick to the language that you choose and you don't jump a lot at the beginning, so you can grasp how the language works. Also, the most important thing are the core basics of programming. So how functional programming works, how OOP work, and there is no better one. You can use also both. There are many projects that use both. I use both. In some cases it is better to use OOP and other functional programming, in my opinion, and as I have heard, it is also the opinion of other developers. There is no best programming language or best framework. Just pick something and start learning.